Do you know you can make money by simply posting on Facebook? This method, if properly implemented, has the potential to make you some good cash. If you want to learn this technique, then make sure you watch this video to the end. And for similar tricks like this, subscribe to this channel because we've got you covered on genuine methods of making money online. Now let's dive right into the video. The first step is to come to this website, offervod.com. You can see the link here. Once you're on this platform, this is basically a platform that houses a lot of affiliate networks. So you come here to get offers from these affiliate networks. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to create an account with this website. As you can see, I'm already logged in. You can see it says log out. So what you're going to do is you go to Google, search offervod.com, sign up. Okay, so you go through the sign up process. It's a simple sign up process. I don't want to kind of insult your intelligence. So basically anybody can do that provided you can read. Okay, so go to Google, look for offervod.com, sign up, and once you're signed up, then log in. Once you're logged in, it's going to look like this. So once you're here, as you can see here, it says add your network, advertise, log out, help, free training, and all of that. So basically what you're going to do, you come down here, you can see it has a search box here. This is where you're going to search what you want to do. For today, basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be searching for gift cards. We want to give people gift cards, okay, and then we're going to make money doing that. Okay, we want to give people the opportunity to earn some gift cards, okay, and then we make money doing that. So what you're going to do is you come here where it says categories. We're going to click that category. Once you click that category, you're going to select, you can see we have CPA, CPI, CPL. You're going to go for CPL, okay, for the purpose of this video. So I'll click CPL and then type gift card here and search it. It's gonna bring a bunch of offers. Okay, CPL means cost per lead. That means the website or the affiliate network is willing to pay you a certain amount of money for the lead you provide. Okay, so you can see a bunch of them here. So what you're going to do is you look at all these gift card offers, okay, and then look at the one you kind of like. For example, this one is gonna pay you $8 for any lead. Okay, so what you're going to do is if you're interested in this, you click this, okay, and go through the processes to get your link, your affiliate link. Okay, get your affiliate link. Your affiliate link is very important. Okay, so once you've gotten your affiliate link for any of these products you like here, and mind you, these offers are from different affiliate networks. I told you earlier on that OfferVod is kind of like a house for all affiliate network. We've got a lot of affiliate network. If you kind of like click here, you will see all the affiliate networks that are here. You can see Ad Center, Ad Combo, Ad Hive, Ads. You cannot see all of them. We have AdStera, CPA network, Ad Vendor, and all of that. Okay, so basically we'll have a bunch of affiliate networks here. Okay, good. So you go through the search filtering process that I showed you. Now, the next process is to go to Google and create a new Gmail account, okay? Or maybe you have a Gmail account you are not using. You might want to use it for this process. Once you've created a new Gmail account, okay, if you don't know how to create a Gmail account, you can search that on Google and learn how to create a Gmail account. Once you've created a Gmail account, what you're going to do is you log into your Gmail account on your desktop device or your mobile phone. Okay, if you want to use a mobile phone, all you just need to do is make sure you use Chrome browser, click these three dots here. Okay, when you click it, it's gonna show you this place. Okay, check this, make sure this becomes blue. Okay, that means you're browsing on desktop, so you'll be able to access this function. Do not use the Gmail app on your mobile phone. If you're using a mobile phone, you won't be able to do what I want to show you. So once you're logged in, you go to your settings, and once you go to your settings, okay, you click your settings, and then let me kind of like go up to show you something. Okay, good. So you click on your settings, and once you click on your settings, you go down and go down and go down. So you should be able to come to this point. You should be able to come to this point where it says vacation, where it says vacation. Now make sure you change you turn it to vacation responder on. Okay, you turn it on. You can switch it to vacation off. If you turn it to vacation responder off, this is not going to work. So you need to turn it to vacation responder on. Okay, once that is on, then you come here and then where it says subject, type something like congratulations. And then when it comes here where it says the plain text, where it says plain text, you're going to type something related to the offer you saw on OfferVault. Okay, so you're going to type something like, you can win a free Amazon gift card. As you can see there, let me kind of like zoom it in so you see what I've written. Okay, you can type something like, you can win a free Amazon gift card by clicking on the link below. Now, what link are you going to paste here? You're going to paste the link from the affiliate network. Okay, the link you got from OfferVault. Okay, the link you got from OfferVault, you're going to paste it here. Okay, so what happens now is that your email, the email, okay, this email, you can see this is my email, one of my emails. This email now, you are going to use this email and follow me to the next step. So I'll show you what to do to start making money. Okay. Now, the third step is to come to facebook.com, create an account on Facebook. I know most of you watching me already have accounts on Facebook. So you create an account on Facebook, and after creating an account, then create a page on Facebook. Okay, so if I click this thing here, that thing there, it shows me all the pages I have. You can see here are some of my pages, okay, that I already have on this Facebook account. Okay, these are some of my pages. Okay, but have like about 9 pages. Okay, so if you do not have a page and you don't know how to create a Facebook page, now for the purpose of this video, I don't want it to be longer than necessary. You could go to YouTube to search how to create a Facebook page. Okay, you're gonna get a detailed video analysis explaining how to create a Facebook page. So go to YouTube and learn how to create a Facebook page, and then you return to this video. Okay, for the purpose of this video, I don't want to do it. This video is going to be longer than necessary. So once you've created a Facebook page, and then you click this button here, it's going to show you, and then you scroll down here, it's going to show you all the pages you have. Let's say I want to go with this income methods, that page there. So you're going to click that page. It's going to bring you to your page. Okay, so it's gonna bring you to your page. So this is one of my pages that I use for my Make Money Online business. Okay, so you come to your page here, then you are gonna create a post. Okay, let's kind of like come here. You're gonna create a post. Okay, you can see where it says create a post. You're gonna click that and create a post like this here. I just created this post some 15 minutes ago for the purpose of this video. As you can see, it says 15 minutes there. Let me kind of zoom it in. So what is this post all about? This post says, let me kind of like click that to see it in details. So click that, good. So the content of this post is $1,000 giveaway. To participate, like this post, add 5 people to this group, send me an email. Now, the email, remember the email I talked about in the previous step? The email, you're going to paste it here. Okay, so once you paste this email here, you share it here. So what happens now is that when somebody comes to this page, okay, the page you just created, okay, and the person comes and says, okay, oh, hold on, there's a $1,000 giveaway, and how do I participate? The person says, okay, he says, like this post, add 5 people. Okay, the person is going to like the post, or you could even say share the post. Okay, and then add 5 people. That's how you grow your new page, okay? Because the moment you create it, you're not going to have enough people on the page. So by following this strategy, you're going to grow this page far. That's first. And the second is you're going to have to put your email here, that email, okay? The new email I asked you to create, you're going to put this email. Now, why is that email important? When you paste this email, anybody who is interested that sees this on Facebook, okay, the person is going to send you an email. Okay, the person is going to send you an email, and once the person sends you an email, if you noticed on the previous step, we went to a setting on the vacation tab there, and then we did some settings there. We turned that vacation on. What that means is that once the person sends you an email, the person is going to receive an automatic response. Okay, so you don't have to be there to send the response, and the response is going to be what we typed in the body of that message. Let me kind of like go back to that step to show you what I'm talking about. So as you can see here, this was the content of the message we had on our email. Okay, which was you can win a free Amazon gift card by clicking on the link below. And mind you, the link that you're going to put here is going to be the link you got from OfferVault. So when somebody on Facebook, okay, sends you an email, the person is going to get this automatic response. And you say, how is this possible? Because we turned on this vacation response. We turned it on. Okay, if you turn this on, that's exactly what happens. When somebody sends you a message, the person is gonna get an automatic response. Okay, so that's exactly what happens. And then when we come back to Facebook here, you're going to see that a bunch of people are going to keep sending you emails, and that's how you're going to reach a lot of people. And then per person who signs up, okay, anybody who follows that automatic response from your email and kind of like signs up, provides an email or whatever, you are going to get paid the amount of money per lead according to the product or the gift card or whatever you are promoting. So guys, this is how this strategy works. Okay, so I believe now you understand how this model works. In summary, you create an account on OfferVault. The next step is to create a new email, turn on your vacation response on, and then you come to Facebook, create a Facebook account, or create a new Facebook page, paste something like this, and that's it. Now, if you want to see more results with this, okay, you can run ads on this. Okay, you can actually promote this. Okay, spend some few bucks. Okay, maybe like $10 or $20 promoting this post. Okay, so guys, this is how this strategy works for today. If you want to learn more interesting strategies on how to make money online, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, because we keep releasing important content, strategies, tips on how to make money online. Okay, it's your guy Ken. It's Brixel Bees signing out.